Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start inside Excel and go straight to File, then Options, then Proofing. This is where autocorrect lives, so open it now. Once the dialog appears, click Autocorrect Options and you'll see the list that changes your text automatically. Make sure to stop, look for common replacements like C or 1/2 and remove entries you don't want. This is the first actionable step because the change applies immediately to all sheets, so be deliberate about which entries you delete or edit. Once you're in the autocorrect list, search for the specific replacement that's causing trouble. Type the offending text into the replace box to find it quickly. Then select that entry and click delete so Excel stops substituting it. Make sure to check both the autocorrect and the math autocorrect tabs if numerical or symbol swaps happen. If there are several variants, remove each one or use replace all in the dialog to clear a pattern, which saves time and prevents future surprises. Finish by clicking OK on autocorrect and on options so Excel saves your edits. Do not skip that step or nothing changes. Once done, restart Excel and type the previously corrected text to verify the behavior is gone. If the issue persists, make sure you edited the correct profile and check for custom templates or add-ins that might reinsert autocorrect entries. Disable them briefly to isolate the cause. If needed, repeat deletion for any remaining replacements until.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.